Okay, wait, I'm confused.
This is what we're going to drive today. There you go. Let's see. It's not even opened yet. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Oh! This is a 2014, by the way. That shit look nice, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. The feel. Oh my God, the feel is just, yeah. That sound like my Camaro, I ain't gonna lie. Got the tracks exhaust, okay.
Yeah, and I was wrong, 61.
61, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he had his like little, yeah. I was like, oh.
Oh, shit nasty.
My Twitter. Here we go.